But stop scrolling. Have you ever wished you could invest in the stock market, but felt overwhelmed by all the choices? Picking individual stocks can be risky and confusing. But what if I told you there's an easy way to invest and grow your money without picking stocks one by one? That's where ETFs come in. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are one of the best ways to make money in the stock market, even as a complete beginner. And today, I'm sharing 4 powerful ETFs that can help you build wealth on autopilot. Make sure to watch until the end, because number 3 is a must-have for long-term investors. Let's get into it. What are ETFs and why should you care? Alright, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of an ETF, exchange-traded fund, like a big basket of stocks. Instead of buying just one company, an ETF lets you buy hundreds or even thousands of stocks at the same time. Imagine you walk into a grocery store. Instead of picking individual fruits, 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 orange, you just grab a pre-packed fruit basket with a mix of everything. That's what an ETF does, but with stocks instead of fruit. Why is this amazing? Diversification. You're not putting all your money into one company. If one company struggles, others in the ETF can balance it out. Less risk. Because you own many stocks at once, your investments are more stable over time. Easy to invest in. Just buy an ETF like a stock and boom, you're instantly invested in multiple companies. Now let's talk about 4 powerful ETFs that can help you make money, even if you're just starting out. 4 best ETFs to build wealth. 1. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, the safe and steady one. If you don't know where to start with VOO. VOO follows the S&P 500, which is an index that includes the top 500 companies in the US. Big names like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla. Why is this great for beginners? It's like owning a piece of the entire US economy. Instead of picking stocks, you get a mix of 500 of the strongest companies. It grows over time. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. Low cost. VOO has super low fees, 0.03%, meaning you keep more of your profits. Who is this for? Anyone who wants steady, long-term growth without stress. 2. SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, the passive income generator. Do you want free money while you sleep? Then SCHD is for you. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that pay you a part of their profits every few months just for owning their stock. Why is this great? Pays you cash dividends. It's a 3.7% yield. It's like a second paycheck. Invests in big, stable companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Pepsi. Great for retirement or passive income seekers. Who is this for? Investors who love the idea of getting paid while their money grows. For 3. QQQ, Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF, the tech and innovation giant. If you believe in technology and the future, then QQQ is a no-brainer. QQQ invests in the Nasdaq 100, which includes the biggest tech companies like Google, Nvidia, Tesla, and Meta, Facebook. Why is this exciting? Tech companies grow fast. QQQ has returned 15% per year on average over the last decade. You get access to the most innovative businesses driving the future. Perfect for younger investors looking for high growth. Who is this for? People who are okay with some risk in exchange for big growth potential. 4. VYM, Vanguard. High dividend yield ETF for dividend lovers. If you love dividends and stability, meet VYM. VYM focuses on big, steady companies that pay reliable dividends. Think of this as the blue chip ETF that pays you while your money grows. Why is this great? Pays solid dividends, 2.59%, a great mix of cash flow and growth. Hold safe, well-established companies like JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, and Procter & Gamble. A great choice for building passive income over time. Who is this for? Investors who want dividends, plus long-term stability in one ETF. All right, So those are 4 amazing ETFs that can help you make money without the stress of picking stocks. Now, I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below. Which ETF are you most excited to invest in? Let's chat, and before you go, hit that like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more simple investing tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.